Hello, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with OneRoyal Brokers. You enter the Forex brokers, choose OneRoyal Brokers, and go to Website. Then you enter the OneRoyal website, click on Sign Up, and go to the Registration section. In the next section, you enter your first name, last name, email address, and mobile phone number. Confirm the website's terms by checking the box, and click on Open Account. After you carefully enter the security code, you then proceed to click on the Verify button. You log into your account, and to verify your email for OneRoyal, you click on this Verify Now section. Then you click on the email verification document again. As you can see, an email has been sent to you. You log into your email. When you are in your email, you click on OneRoyal. Then to simply confirm your account, you click on this link. Your account has been confirmed via email for OneRoyal, and to work with the OneRoyal site, you need to provide additional information such as ID card, passport, etc. You can start depositing and withdrawing. Good luck and success.